everybody, it's Candy with KANDI'S Kreations. Today we're going to make a lamb's ear grapevine wreath. This is a garland from Walmart, and I'm just going to attach it with some baby zip ties. You're going to want to just keep working it all the way around till you get it good and full completely around the grapevine. These are just some extra lamb's ear picks that I picked up from Walmart. They come in 2 in a pack. I'm just going to dip them in the glue pot and just start working them around the inner and outer of the lamb's ear garland. You're going to want to make sure to trim off all the ends of the baby zip ties before you fill in completely with your lamb's ear picks. This is a beautiful floral bush from Walmart. You're going to want to cut it up. You're going to want to add them throughout the lamb's ear, proportioned out accordingly to how many you have of each floral on the bush. Next, we're going to add a beautiful little dainty bow. This is a 1.5-inch burlap and it's wired. Always use wired ribbon. After I've zip tied my bow, I'm just wrapping a floral pick, a wooden floral pick around it that has floral wire attached, and just dabbing some glue on it. I'm going to make an additional little baby bow to add on top of that. So I am going to secure it with a zip tie and a wooden floral pick and add it to the top, dab some glue on it, and we're going to let that dry. While that glue is drying, we're going to go ahead and take some additional picks, and I'm going to cut them. They come in 2 pieces. I'm going to cut them in 4. So we're going to fill around all the inside of the grapevine wreath, and we're going to fill anywhere that we can still see the grapevine showing. I like to take a wooden floral pick that has the wreath wire on it and add it to my long tails and tuck them into the grapevine to give it another flowy look. Even though this is a beautiful bow already, I thought that it needed an extra loop at the top, so I attached one at the very top with another wooden pick. We trim those tails, and voila, there you go.